In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to deactivate Instagram account. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right. Head over to the option Account Center. Now scroll down and click on the option Personal Details. Navigate to the option Account Ownership and Control. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your Instagram username. Now select the option Deactivate Account. It is temporary and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. Now click on Continue. Now type in your password over here. After you type in, click on Continue. Now provide a reason why do you want to deactivate your account and then click on Continue. Now select the time duration. Then click on Continue. Click on Deactivate Account, and just with that your account will be deactivated. So this is how you can easily deactivate Instagram account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.